Welcome to Unit 5.2. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to view worksheets and workbooks. A common problem in Excel is when you're working with a large data set and you scroll downwards, perhaps you're on line 400, you can no longer see your headings at the top. Also, if you scroll sideways, you cannot see your column headings in column A on the left. What I mean by this is if I scroll down on my screen here, I can no longer see which month I'm in. I cannot see whether I'm in January, February or March. I have to keep scrolling up to see my headings. By the same token, if I scroll to the right, I cannot see which region I'm in, east, west, north or south, and I have to keep scrolling back. In order to alleviate this problem, we need to freeze panes. It's very important before you freeze panes that you click in the right place. I'm going to click on the very first value in the spreadsheet. And the reason for that is I'm one row beneath the headings at the top. And everything on the left of where I am will freeze as well. In other words, if I was there, only the top two rows would freeze. There is no column on my left. If I click there, this particular column will freeze. If I click there, these two columns would freeze. So in order to freeze that top row and the left column, I would need to be on the first value. Once there, you can then go to your View tab, and there's an option to freeze panes. Click on the arrow on freeze panes and choose. There is freeze top row and column, but I want both, so I'm going to select freeze panes over there. What you'll see is a black line appear running downwards and across. Now when I scroll sideways, the region stays constant. And if I scroll down, you'll see that top row stays constant. This is very, very helpful and can save you many hours in a big data set. To remove your freeze panes, you go back to your View tab, Freeze Panes, and Unfreeze Panes. In a later lesson on the more advanced Excel, you're going to learn how to link various files. So often you have not just sheets, but many files. And it's very handy to have them all open on the screen at once. I've got a couple, 4 or 5 files open at this moment. So if I want to view them all on the same screen, click on View, Arrange All, and I select the option Tile. That is the best view to use. And you'll see it tiles all your open files. And it's easy to switch between the two files, copy between the two files, etc. To return back to your normal file again, or just to one file, you can just choose your Maximize in the top right-hand corner. And then I'm back to a single file view again. So let's just recap that. View, Arrange All, and Tile. Then you would want to maximize one of them once you finish doing what you want to do.